working on clutch. But it is not same like the normal clutch new. It's an old clutch. You see? It's an old clutch. This is the disc. This is the center plate, and that is the separator. Okay. Now this is the separator. Going to sandpaper all this place. Okay. See? There's sandpaper here. I'm not taking it out. I'll do sandpaper for it. And this is it. Okay, this one is okay. We just remove the check. Okay, we are not fixing it. Okay. So this is what, when I finish some paper, it's going to look like this. Okay, when I some paper, see, then I'll show you how to fix it, because when you fix it, you cannot fix it like this. It will not set. So I'll show you how we're going to fix it all and couple it back. So let's start with papering. There's the tool. Sandpaper it all. It look like it. That will fix it. I'm not taking it to the machine shop to cut anything. No. I'm still using the same design. Like this, just sandpaper. Finish, I'll start the truck, then you'll see everything works fine. Okay, after some paper, this is what I get. See? This is what I get after some paper. This one is done. I'm going to make this one also safe. One is going down like this. Two sides. This side is going inside of here. So this is good. And this one will be outside. This is how it's going to look like. Some paper this one also. This one has some paper in the both sides. This side and the other side. This one already finished. This one was going. I took this to make it up to finish it. So I'm going to put some paper a little bit so that it can be snug. Will not be like slipping, because we're not using new. So some paper this one. So let's start. Some paper. It's going to look like. See? That's going to look like clean. Well, then couple. Okay.